Rise and shine, friends. I welcome you all in the part 2 of types of numbers. So, coming on to what are square numbers. Any number that is the result of a number multiplied by itself is a square number. The meaning is, if I took any number, let's say for example I take 3 and I multiply 3 by itself, like 3 into 3, it will give me 9. So I can simply call that 9 is the square of 3. So any number multiplied by itself is the square of that number. Easy to understand, I guess. Moving on, we have cube numbers. If I multiply a number by itself 3 times, like taking the same example itself, 3, if we multiply 3 into 3 into 3, like 3 multiplying by itself 3 times will give me 27. So we can simply say 27 is the cube of 3. So any number that is the result of multiplying by itself 3 times is a cube number. Moving forward, we have composite numbers. Any number that has more than 2 factors is a composite number. What are factors? Which are divisible by the number, like the divisors of any number. So all these numbers written in the example 4, 6, 8, 9, talking about any of these numbers in the series, all of them, if you can check, have more than 2 factors for sure. So all these are composite numbers. Nextly, we have natural numbers that are used as counting numbers. Any numbers that are used as counting numbers are natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till infinity. Nextly, we have as perfect numbers. Any number that is equal to the sum of its factors is a perfect number. Like, let's take the example of 6 itself. What are the factors of 6? Simply 1, 2 and 3. So if I sum up all these factors like 1 plus 2 plus 3, it will simply give me 6. That's the definition saying. Easy to understand? Coming forward, ordinary numbers. Any number that is not expressed in index form is an ordinary number. Now what is an index form? Index form is simply like representing a number in the form of some power of anything. Like in the above case of squares and cube, we can represent a number into the power of something. If I take 27, I can represent it as 3 ka cube, simply. So 27 can never be an ordinary number because it can be represented as a power of something. Index form is which cannot be represented. This saying it is not expressed in index form. Like it cannot be expressed in the power of something, like exponential power. So all these numbers, if you can check, they can never be expressed in some power of any number. So they are ordinary numbers. Lastly, we have transcendental numbers. Any number that is not an algebraic number is a transcendental number. You know very well what are algebraic number. Just simple numbers, playing with the numbers, are algebraic numbers. Which cannot be an algebraic number is a transcendental number. If you will study further mathematics, you will deal with these kind of figures. Like this is pi, this is e. E stands for exponential function. Further examples could be trigonometric functions. These all comes under transcendental numbers. So for now, I'm ending this video. Hope you like it. Do not forget to like and share with your friends if you have learned anything new today. Thank you for watching.